Hello and welcome to PM Intellect. I am Ashutosh Garg, and today under Project Management Concept Shorts, we are going to cover the topic actual cost, which is also abbreviated as AC. Now, actual cost is a very common concept in the project management, and it's the thing which has been taken up by each and every project management professional. So, actual cost is the total cost which is incurred for the actual work completed as on date. Or simply, if we can say that it is the amount of money which we have spent as on today. If you are going to go to the earned value management, you will see that the actual cost is also equated with the earned value. That means what is the amount of work which we had completed corresponding to the amount which you have spent. If we go with the definition of the PMI, this says that the actual cost is the realized cost incurred for the work performed on an activity during a specific time period. Now, actual cost is basically incurred to accomplishing or performing a work for an activity or a WBS component. In fact, we can define the actual cost in terms of an activity, rather, we say activity cost. If we group up the activity cost, we can define the actual cost in terms of a WBS. We can also define the actual cost for a project phase or for a complete project once it is closed. The actual cost can be same or more or less than the estimated cost. For example, if you have estimated for an activity, it will take say $10. It might can so happen that you will complete it in $10, or even it can happen that you might deliver the work in $8, or maybe some inflation because of which you deliver in $12. Ultimately, the bottom line is that the actual cost correspond to the actual work completed and the amount which is spent to date. Thanks a lot for your time. Should you have any question or you want to connect with us, please stay tuned with the PM Intellect or connect us.